channel. In today's 21st century there is a great demand of displaying corporate credibility and transparency in managing the internal affairs of the organization. The top-notch executive level is busy managing the general working and functioning of the organization. The career opportunities and scope of CS is very vast, as one can find a job in the field of the private sector, public sector, banks, stock exchange, law firms and other financial institutions. The CS scope in India is widening due to the emergence of institutions like Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI, with its headquarters in Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai. The ICSI develops and regulates the profession of company secretary by conducting the examination. In the global scenario, there is a large focus on the corporate sector, and growth in the corporate sector leads to involvement of legalities and legal complications. Not only in the private sector but the Government of India also provides company secretary career scope. Government financial institutions, stock exchanges, Bureau of Public Enterprise, law services in nationalized banks, Department of Company Affairs are some of the wide scopes of CS in India. A company secretary holds a very respectable and key position in the top management of the company. Incorporation, formation, amalgamation, promotion, reorganization, formation and winding up of the company are some of the key responsibilities which an individual has to carry out as a company secretary in an organization. The increase in the unethical practices in the corporate world and government bodies increases the demand and CS career scope. Please subscribe more videos.